Okay, so here's how to make a fill out form update records instead of, let's see, update records instead of just create records. So I'm going to sign into fill out. I'm going to go make a new fill out. I'm going to say, I don't know if this actually matters. To make it easy, I'm going to say connect to Airtable. I like the dark theme. Connect it with your Airtable. So you may have to go through an authentication there. I'm going to do creative project management to my request table. It's either requests or projects is my table that I'm looking for here. Let's go to the projects table and then create that. So over here, I can say, let's just say project title and description are only two fields. Let's just say that's the case. I believe the key thing is over here, like the form should be, when you click on fields, it should be connected. You see new forms go into this table. If I click on share, let's say publish this form. This is our form link. If I go back to edit here, and I say publish, I believe what you have to do is you have to go to click integrate, click on your Airtable connection, click update record. Now, I don't know if this changes. I believe you can still create records with it, but let's try it. Yeah, I don't need custom link. So what you do is you just click this to copy this formula. And then in this table, what I would do is add a formula field in here. That is this, and it's going to be update. If you're looking for these people to click on like an Airtable shared view, it may be prettier to show them this as a button field, but it could be a button or a formula. You should be able to pull either of these into an email and say update. So once you create that and somebody clicks update, you'll see the URL is unique to that record. It includes the Airtable record ID, and it should allow you to update things. Now let's see if it actually works. Okay, so it doesn't look like it's, and maybe I need to click update there and then refresh this. It didn't look like it pulled any information in here yet. Let's see what I need to do to make this work. Okay, and there is data in both the project title and description. So let's go back here and now try this again. It said thank you. It doesn't look like any of these turned into test or test two. So it says this form has unpublished changes. As far as I know, this is the way to make it work properly. For some reason, my demo is not working incredibly well, and I'm not sure entirely why. Maybe I didn't publish everything because I just flew through. Okay, so that works. So I just didn't have publish enough. So that works if you just switch it to that. Now let's try just this same URL, but without any of this ID stuff. See if it lets me create a new record. And let's scroll to the bottom. New record test, 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 test. Looks like it worked well. And actually, here's my old one on the record ID that didn't work. So this form works. It updates records and creates records. Hope this was helpful for Fillout.